massive move for Jasmy is coming, and in this video we are going to be discussing exactly that. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are basically going to be taking a look at Jasmy once again, because things are going exactly as I had predicted and exactly as I had planned. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new, because that will be really appreciated. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the charts which I'm talking about. My trade signal group has helped me make some good amount of money in the past couple of months. I will do all the analysis in this group and give you all of my trade setups so that you can make the most amount of money. As you can see, in the past couple of months we have made profits of about 142%, 350%, and even crazier than that. So make sure guys join my Patreon. The link to it will be down in the description. It's only $30 per month, and I truly believe that the value you will be getting in this group will be much higher than this. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Jasmy, and as you can see we are on the 4-hourly time frame. So guys, as you can see right over here, I drew this trend line right over here, and as soon as we broke out of this trend line, we are currently seeing a massive move towards the upside. This is exactly which I had mentioned in my videos previously as well, and I truly believe that I know that what the most likely scenario for Jasmy is going to be for the immediate short term. So guys, first of all, let me tell you basically what has been going on with Jasmy for the last couple of months. So guys, I personally believe Jasmy is in this massive Elliott wave structure, which is 5 waves towards the upside. So first wave towards the upside, second wave towards the downside, third wave towards the upside, fourth towards the down, and the fifth towards the up. Now guys, right now I believe we are in this third wave, and inside this third wave as well we are going to be seeing 5 waves towards the upside, because that is exactly how the movement goes. So guys, if we calculate basically how I personally expect Jasmy to move, the prediction is pretty easy, and the analysis is also pretty easy to do. So if we take this price level right over here as the bottom for Jasmy for wave 2, you can able to see that we saw this massive wave towards the upside for wave number 1. Now I personally believe this was the wave number 1 just because we closed above this candle right over here, and right now this level is acting like a resistance, or say like a support level right now. Now previously this acted like a resistance level, but right now we have turned that resistance level into a support level. Now if we zoom in on the charts, you will be able to see clearly as well, but we basically got exactly at to this point, and after that we pumped up. You can see right over here as well, this level proved to be a resistance previously as well, after which we got this massive wave towards the upside. So guys, I personally believe that in the next possible days, or say in the next few days, we are going to be seeing Jasmy break above this wave 1 high at about 0.008, and we are going to be pushing further than this to about 0.009. Now this is going to be the third wave, and after that I do expect this resistance level to convert into a support level, and that is exactly how I believe Jasmy is going to be moving, because after we have seen this correction with the wave 4, we are going to be seeing some massive movement towards the upside, and my most likely scenario for Jasmy for the immediate short term is at about 0.01. By the way guys, if we check out some of the indicators right over here, you will be able to see something really interesting. So as you can see, we are getting up and up, but right now if you check out, you can see that the RSI has practically cooled off, and this is really good, because right now we are in a bullish market and we are preparing for that another move towards the upside. If we check out the MACD indicator right over here as well, you will be able to see something really interesting. So even though right now we are getting some selling pressure, but guys, you will be able to see that the selling pressure is really weak, and we are trying to flip bullish, but we are currently unable to do that. However, as you can see, the green the red candles are slowly getting shorter and shorter, and it's due time that we are going to be seeing the buying pressure come into play, and that is when I expect Jasmy to pump up as well. By the way guys, if I tell you all the most likely targets for Jasmy for the immediate short term, let me go over that using the Fibonacci retracement. So if we check out this wave 1 high right over here and we keep the wave 2 bottom as a low part, you will be able to see something really interesting. So if I just zoom in on the charts right over here, you will be able to see that this level at about 0.0058 was providing us some resistance. However, as soon as we broke above it, we tried to test this another resistance level at over here at about 0.0063. Now, as you can see, we saw a rejection to this support level once again. However, we have been pumping up because the trend is towards the upside, and the high caps such as BTC and Ethereum are also pumping up. Right now, I believe we are in the Ethereum rally, so we are going to be seeing Ethereum rallying up. But after that, I do believe that the move is going to be for the altcoins to do, and altcoins are going to be giving you those significant gains. By the way guys, if you check out this entire movement from wave 2 towards this level right over here, you will be able to see that we have pumped almost about 50%. Now let me tell you what is the most likely scenario and the most likely targets for Jasmy for the immediate short term. I personally believe that from these levels right over here, we should be expecting upwards movement to add about these levels of about 0.0082. This will bring us really close to the first wave high, and I personally believe that this is going to be the most likely scenario. If you check out that we only need a move of about 32%, and I personally believe Jasmy is capable to make this kind of movement in just a matter of days or even in 1 or 2 hours. By the way guys, if you want to make some serious money, even though you are holding your crypto, but you want to make some serious money while trading, I would personally like to introduce you to my trade signal group. Now let me go over what my trade signal group is all about and what is the main objective of my trade signal group. So guys, in my trade signal group, I am posting my personal trades which I am using in order to determine the next move of the market. Now till this date, we have been really successful, and all of the members are also enjoying some pretty decent gains. Now I'm sure a lot of you might really not agree with me over there, and you might be saying that, hey, he's just saying to get us to sign up. But guys, let me show you the insides of my trade signal group so that you guys know what we have been doing. Right over here, as you can see, we logged in profits of over 180%, which is absolutely insane. And if we scroll up right over here, you will be able to see that we have been logging some pretty decent profits left and right. Profits of 67%, 35%, 20%. This was just a fun trade which I took. Right over here, you can see profits of 300%, and the list goes on and on and on. Now, let me tell you basically what happens in my trade signal group. So guys, in my trade signal group, I basically post a trade signal alert just like this right over here. In this, I mention whether I'm taking a long position or whether I'm taking a short position. After that, I do mention the risk factor which is involved in the trade as well, such as right over here, I had mentioned 3 out of 5. After that, right over here, I tell you guys what amount of leverage you should be using and which token you guys should be trading or you guys should be using as well. Right over here, I mentioned the entry price points so that you guys have the best possible entry into the trade, and I also mentioned my targets which I personally recommend you all to set as your take profits level. So we have 2 targets right over here at about first target is at about 0.0054 and the second target is at about 0.0058. As you already know, Jasmy was able to smash through these records, and right now we are sitting at about 0.0062. So basically, if you had taken the trade back then, you should be enjoying some pretty decent profits. Besides from this guys, we have also some other opportunities as well. As you can see, I also post technical analysis in which I basically tell you guys what I think that the cryptocurrency market will be doing in general. I also post business opportunities which can help you make some serious amounts of money, and I personally believe this is really underrated because let's say if you're able to generate $1,000 per month for your business and you invest all of that into the cryptocurrency markets, I personally believe that $1,000 can easily turn into $10,000, $50,000 or even crazier than that. I also mentioned the coins which are on my radar and my portfolio. So I personally believe you basically have all the resources which you need in order to make the money. Now the price of my trade signal group is at about $30, and I personally believe that you guys should not be considering this $30 as an expense. Instead, you should be thinking of this $30 as an investment in yourself, just like you invest with books, courses, and other stuff out there. I personally believe that my trade signal group will help you learn really quickly about how basically the market tends to move when various things happen in the market, and it will also help you to earn some money in the meantime, which I mean is a good for both of us, because I am able to spread my knowledge towards you and you are able to gain some knowledge at a pretty particular price. Now at this moment I am posting one trade every 2 days or so, and our win percentage is really high. So yeah guys, if you want to sign up, the link to it will be found in the description, so make sure you guys join up as soon as possible, because I mean it's a no-brainer, and if you ever wanted to make money, I believe that is the right place for you to be. As always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another Jasmy update video. Peace out for now, and yeah,